Hi, you know the drill. You go into a doctor's office and what happens? He hands you a form about your family history, your health history, and then they ask you about your parents, your grandparents, all your relatives, thinking what? That it's in our genes, right? If your grandfather has diabetes, that you will have a tendency to have diabetes, and so on and so forth. But actually, there's a very new cutting-edge research called the epigenetics or the epigenome project, and it shows two amazing results. The first is that only 5 to 8% of our genes predisposes us to disease. The second is that we control our destiny through the decisions that we make by the environment that we surround ourselves with psychologically and physiologically. So in other words, it's our habits that controls and predisposes us to disease, not our genes. My name is Dr. Hanan Salim. I'm what we call a preventative and habit transformation expert. What that means is that I help entrepreneurs, senior executives, and people who have a life-threatening disease to leverage that and become healthier in order to maximize their business, their relationship, and their profits. And the way I found this is through my own personal experience. I, at one point in my life, went from being the healthcare professional to the patient, because I have a 25 years experience in healthcare, and I couldn't help myself at this point in time in my life. And as a matter of fact, everything was going wrong at that time. My marriage, my finances, my business career was all slipping through my hands, and I couldn't do anything about it. So when I incorporated my conventional healthcare background with the alternative methods, I came up with this amazing system called the RPH method. I will teach you in this course very important 4 simple steps that will not only get you to your optimal health, but be able to leverage all your health to all the everything that you want in your wheel of life, whether it be finances, improve your relationship, career, or business. Join me in this course for a better quality of life and to transform your life in order to do your best and be your best.